What do you want? You're a tiny dinosaur. Look at you. You're a tiny little raptor. Right? Where's your little baby? Are you hiding it? Are you hiding it in the bushes? Your little baby chick. Hiding in the bushes. Yeah. I think so. What's this now? Oh. Storming ahead. None of your business. Oh, they're all coming out. What? What do you think this is? No, I don't have any snacks. I don't have any snacks for you. You just having a little thermal bath? Look at them all. So many. Yeah. Well, are you the boss, are you? Are you the boss? What do you want? Oh, boy. Yeah, there are chickies over there. You're trying to distract me from them. Yes, I see your little chickies. I see your little chickies. It's all blurry. Focus. No, I can't really see them on the camera. But there are little chickies over there. Little black blob chickies. Little black blobbers. Little tiny ones. Did you fart? It smells like eggs. Was that you? Is it? Don't lie. It smells like farts. Look at those little wee babe chicks. Little wee chick babes. What you up to? What do you want whopping about? You're trouble. Oh, wow. Very clever. Very clever little dinosaur, aren't we? What are you up to? Beautiful day in Rotorua. The fragrant smell of thermal pools in the air. As always, if you don't like boiled eggs, maybe don't come to Rotorua. There's a lot of sulfur around. Literally thermal everywhere.